Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide likes from friends on Facebook, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to hide likes from friends on Facebook. First, just go to Facebook and then click in your profile icon. After that, click Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. And then in the left sidebar, just scroll down and you see here preferences. Click reaction preferences and then here hide number of reactions. Here you have two options, one on posts from others and second options on your posts. Just you can turn on posts from others, and if you want to hide it also on your post, just turn it on. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to hide likes from friends on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.